What if your soul remembers more than this life? Try this gentle meditation. There are memories we carry that don't belong to this lifetime. Not as stories, but as feelings. Familiarity, longing, knowing. In this meditation, you're invited to gently explore what your soul may remember, only as much as feels safe and right for you. You're always in control. This is not about forcing images or creating anything. Past life regression works best when you allow impressions to arise naturally. You don't need to believe in past lives. You don't need prior experience. If at any moment you feel distracted or unsure, that's perfectly okay. Simply listen to my voice, and stay present. Nothing bad can happen here. Your mind will only show you what you're ready to receive. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest naturally. Take a slow breath in through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. Again. In and out. With each breath, your body becomes heavier, more relaxed, more at ease. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your weight. You don't need to hold yourself up. You're safe. Now imagine a warm, gentle light above your head. This light feels calm, neutral, and protective. As it slowly moves down through your body, it relaxes every muscle it touches. Your forehead softens. Your jaw unclenches. Your shoulders drop. The light moves through your chest, your stomach, your legs, all the way down to your feet. You are present. You are relaxed. You are aware. In your mind's eye, imagine a quiet pathway. It could be indoors or outdoors. There's no right or wrong image. At the end of this path, there is an opening, a doorway, a veil, or a soft mist. This is not a physical door. It's a doorway of memory. When you feel ready, allow yourself to move closer. Notice how your body feels as you approach. There's no rush. As you pass through, allow the first impression to appear. You may notice a place, a body, clothing, a role or occupation, or simply emotion. Or sense of identity. Let it unfold naturally. Ask yourself silently, who am I here? You don't need words. Just notice. Now gently ask, what is important for me to remember from this lifetime? Stay with whatever arises. Even if it feels subtle, symbolic, or incomplete. Your subconscious communicates in fragments, and that's enough. It's time to return to the present moment. Thank this memory, whatever it was, and allow it to gently fade. Imagine stepping back through the doorway, bringing with you only insight, calm, and clarity. Feel your body again. Your breath. The space around you. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Past life memories often continue to surface after meditation, through dreams, emotions, or sudden understanding. Be gentle with yourself today. If something came through for you, comment "I remember" below. You're not alone in this experience. And if you'd like deeper guided past life regression journeys, subscribe or explore the link in the description. Your soul remembers more than you think.